Hi, I'm Ariane Duarte, chef and owner of Ariane Kitchen Bar in Verona, New Jersey. And today I'm going to make for you a local pan-seared sea scallop with a tomato corn salad. So our ingredients we're using today for our recipe are local Jersey scallops, Jersey corn, Jersey tomatoes, little shaved radish, scallion, roasted red peppers, obviously our salt, pepper, and oil to cook, and a little lemon squeeze to finish. The corn salad, we're just gonna mix everything right together in this bowl. Your corn, your tomatoes, a little bit of radish here, your salt, your pepper, a nice squeeze of lemon for brightness. We're gonna reserve that until after our scallops are all seared. So we have these gorgeous Jersey sea scallops. What you really need to know, it's really important when you do receive them to make sure that this little muscle is removed from all of them. It's also really important to make sure you pat them nice and dry on a paper towel. We're gonna season them with our salt and pepper. And now they're ready to get seared. We're gonna gently place them for searing. All right, our scallops are ready to turn. Look at that beautiful, perfect sear. They've been searing for about 2 minutes, and they are moments away from plating. I'm gonna just give it a little lemon squeeze, and let's plate. And this is what Jersey on a plate is. Our pan-seared scallops with our Jersey tomato corn salad.